We want to remind Mr. William Ruto a simple story of the former president of Liberia, Mr. Charles Taylor. He is still serving a 50-year jail term in a British prison following his involvement in civil war in Sierra Leone for crimes against humanity, including murder, rape, among others. To Mr. Moses Kuria, Mr. Kipchumba Murkomen, Mr. Omar Hassan, Mr. Raymond Omolo, be reminded of Rwanda's Felicien Kabuga. Kenyans have not forgotten the 2007-2008 post-election violence. Mr. William Ruto, the then Eldoret North MP, crafted a 41 versus 1 narrative to isolate the people of the Mount Kenya region. We remember that over 1,300 Kenyans lost their lives. Hundreds of thousands of Kenyans lost their property and homes. Some Kenyans are still in IDP camps 20 years later. Mr. William Ruto and the UDA Secretary General, Mr. Omar Hassan, a notorious hate monger and tribal terrorists, have a better story to tell. We do not know what bitter obsession the two leaders have with the people of the Mount Kenya region. 20 years later, we know that Mr. William Ruto is more vicious, is more bold, is more brutal, is more bitter, is less caring, is too bloodthirsty, is well networked, is more resourced, is better experienced to cause electoral violence and state-sponsored violence and terrorism.